Hello everyone. Today I will be making a scrub and a gentle kind of an exfoliating cleanser dry for myself. I keep making these. I don't use a face wash usually. So today I thought of making something that is kind of wintry using these dried orange peel. So I dried them for a few days and they have become quite crumbly now. Of course, I cleaned them well, dried them afterwards, and I'm going to use oats, the store-bought oats baggeries that I have, and I'm going to grind them today because I felt like kind of slowing down. This is besan, gram flour or chickpea flour and multani mitti. I'm going to store it in my glass jar as I always do. So let's begin. So grind. Slowing down can be very satisfying in this age of rush and distractions, and I love doing so. So my dry rub sort of is ready. So this is going to exfoliate my skin. It has vitamin C loaded with antioxidants, and it is going to give my skin a gentle scrub and has a wonderful smell. Now I will tackle the oats. I love using oats in my cleanser because it is really hydrating to the skin, absorbs a lot of water, and you cannot go wrong with this. So if you have a dry skin, do add some oats powder to your cleanser if you are making one. Okay, next I'm adding the besan or the chickpea flour or the Bengal gram flour. I add a lot of it. It is a very good cleanser, really works magic. And then a little bit of multani mitti. Multani mitti takes off all the dirt and the excess sebum that you have, but it can be quite drying as well. So if you are somebody with a dry skin, add a little of it, or maybe you can skip it. I don't mind using a little. It really cleans my skin. Now give it a good mix. Nothing can be better than creating something for yourself. It is part of your self-love, and it just makes things so much more happier. And so my cleanser is ready, all natural, very budget friendly. Hope you enjoyed what you saw just now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.